couple more here. Number 4, let's write an equation for the line that passes through this point right here. Okay, so this is our x1, y1 right there, and is parallel to this line. Well, if it's parallel, then it's all going to come down to the slope. And here we have a slope of 4. So our new line should have the exact same slope. Okay, and we're going to use slope point form because, well, we're in that unit, but we also have a point. We don't know the y-intercept in this case. We know a point and we know the slope. That's it. This y-intercept doesn't matter. That's for the previous one. Okay, we're going to have a different y-intercept here, but we don't know what that is. So we're going to do y plus 3 is equal to the exact same slope, x minus 2. And that's going to be our line. Now if we want to change that into slope intercept forms or graphic form, we're going to do y plus 3 is equal to 4x minus 8. And we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, and we have y is equal to 4x minus 11. Okay, that would be the same thing. This would be in graphic form. Okay, the only difference between these two lines is this one goes through negative 11, this one goes through negative 4 as our y-intercept, but they have the exact same slope. Now we can also do a perpendicular one. So let's use the same point of S, 2 is 2, negative 3, but now it's going to be perpendicular to this one right here. So this was our slope, is our slope for the previous one. Our new slope is going to have to be a negative reciprocal, so 4 over 3. Okay, we flip it around, and then we change the sign. This one's negative, this one's going to become positive. Use slope point form. Y plus 3 is equal to 4 over 3 x minus 2. Okay, it looks pretty similar to this one here because it goes through the same point, but now we have a different slope. Now we got what's going to be perpendicular to this one right here. We can change this to graphic form as well. Y plus 3 is equal to 4 over 3x minus 8 over 3. Okay, which would be about 2 2/3. Subtract 3 from both sides, and we're going to have y is equal to 4 over 3x, and we're subtracting, so that's really negative, so that's 17 over 3, which is about 5 2/3. Yeah, so 2 2/3 and then 5 2/3. This is in graphic form, and this is slope point form. On your assignments, or your assignment, you do not need to write it in graphic form. You can if you'd like. The answers will be in slope point form. If I've given you a point and a slope, you just have to write it in slope point form. That's it.